So what is a convertible rosary? A convertible rosary is a rosary that is meant to go on the go with you wherever you go. It can be latched onto your rear view mirror. It can be put in your pocket, latched onto your purse, your lamp at your bedside, whatever is comfortable for you, even your key ring. On the bottom here, you'll see, on the top here, you'll see that it has the 10 knots for the decade. The smaller knots are 10 knots, and then it has one larger knot that serves as the Our Father. And then the bottom portion is just like a rosary bottom with the one Our Father and the 3 Hail Marys. So what you do is you take the loop, you feed the crucifix through the loop as so. You tighten it wherever you like to tighten it. I normally tighten it to there to look kind of more like a rosary, and you pull on the string, and when you pull it tight, you'll see that it won't come off. And that can latch on to just about anything. I've even seen people put it around their wrist. You can latch it around your wrist and wear it as a bracelet. So again, this is meant to be a traveling rosary, a companion with you wherever you go. Hope you enjoy it.